Hello students, I welcome you all for today's session. Well students, in today's session we are going to be I'm just going to be uh, doing a quick recap of the syllabus जो मैंने आपको last before your break winter break मैंने भेजा था. So we'll just do a quick recap of that, and then we are going to be continuing our adverbs topic जो हमने शुरू किया हुआ था. ठीक है, वो हम करेंगे. And then of course, yes, the BBC practice exercises. Okay students, now before I begin students, I would also like to once again remind you to send your holiday homework on time. Okay, because as you know, it is in the form of a Google link and it will be closed, and if you send your homework after that particular day, it will not be accepted. ठीक है, so please try करो कि आप अपना homework time पे भेज दो. Okay, now let's discuss quickly about your final term syllabus. Now first about the course book, unit 5, section C, what Katie did. ठीक है, I have marked it tick, मतलब ये हम कर चुके हैं. Unit 6, section A, B, C तीनों हैं. Charge of the Light Brigade, I hope you remember, it's a poem about war. ठीक है, ये हम कर चुके हैं. Instead of war drum, again this is a chapter based on Ashoka, ये हम कर चुके हैं. When section C, when Hitler stole Pink Rabbit, again this is a chapter based on the war in German, तो वो भी हम in Germany, वो भी हम कर चुके हैं ये chapter. Now we are left with unit 7, section A, Indian Weavers, it's a poem. Section B, Leading the Way. Section C, Chocolate Cream Soldier. So ये हम अब करेंगे इस टर्म में. ठीक है, and the grammar section students, as you know, it is going to be from the beginning, starting topics. So these are overall topics which we have to cover in the whole session. जो मैंने टिक किए हुए हैं वो हम कर चुके हैं. We have completed adjectives, verbs, adverbs हम अभी कर रहे हैं. tenses जो हमने अभी करने हैं, we are left with determiners and prepositions, modals and voice. So we are going to complete this. Okay, and coming to your writing section students, वो हम formal letter हमने कर ली थी before your break. Informal letter we are left out with. Okay, so as you can see, syllabus is काफ़ी कम syllabus रह गया जो हमने complete करना है. And the deleted syllabus is of course here, that is in unit 5, section B, report on cleanliness, वो deleted है chapter. Okay, and in your grammar section, ये topics deleted हैं. Sentences, clauses, speech, indirect speech, direct and indirect speech, conjunctions. And writing section में email writing and debate deleted है. Okay, now to begin with today's session of adverbs. Now students, before your winter break, we had started with adverbs. ठीक है, so अब मैं quickly वो recap कर रही हूँ कि जो हमने adverbs जितने हमने complete किए थे. So what is an adverb? Basically adverb is a word that describes a verb. ठीक है, जो हमारे action को describe करता है, जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, हम किस ढंग से कर रहे हैं, उसको describe करता है. ठीक है, and now for example, Neha dances gracefully. So as you can see, Neha dances, इसमें verb क्या है? Dance है. ठीक है, कैसे वो dance कर रही है? Gracefully. So that is your adverb. Okay, now next example, Rahul writes neatly. तो यहाँ पे you can see write is the verb and neatly is the adverb. Okay, now coming to your kinds of adverbs जो हमने discuss किए थे last time. So kind of adverbs. Now हमने जो adverbs cover कर लिए थे, kind of adverbs, वो हमने cover कर लिए थे adverb of manner, place, time and frequency. Okay, so that is again we'll just discuss adverb of manner. If you all remember, मैंने आपको ये बताया था, अगर हम question पूछेंगे how verb से, तो हमें जो आंसर मिलेगा वो adverb of manner होगा, मतलब किस ढंग से हम काम करते हैं. For example, the sun is shining brightly. sun कैसे shine करता है? brightly, तो brightly adverb हो गया. The plane landed safely. How the plane landed, verb से हम question पूछ रहे हैं how, हमें आंसर मिल रहा है safely. नाउ सेकेंड इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, मतलब हम वेयर, मतलब काम या एक्शन कहाँ पे हुआ, किस जगह पे हुआ. द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग अपस्टेयर्स. सो अगर हम पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन वर्ब से, वेयर आर द चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग, हमें आंसर मिल रहा है अपस्टेयर्स. सो दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड लिव्स अपस्टेयर्स. सो वेयर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड लिव्स, हमारा वर्ब है लिव्स. हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, हमें आंसर मिल रहा है अपस्टेयर्स. दैट इज द एडवर्ब. नाउ एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, व्हेन. ठीक है, व्हेन हम जब पूछते हैं कि ये काम कब हुआ, ये एक्शन किस टाइम पे, किस वक्त पे हुआ, सो देन वी यूज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी लेफ्ट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सो व्हेन शी लेफ्ट, आस्क द क्वेश्चन टू द वर्ब व्हेन, हमें आंसर क्या मिला, अर्ली. सो दिस इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. Uncle Sam came to meet Dad yesterday. Okay, so when Uncle Sam came, क्या हमें आंसर मिला, yesterday. So that is adverb of time. Now coming to the fourth type, adverb of frequency or number. कितनी बार वो action हुआ, कितनी regularly action हुआ वो. Okay, let's look at the example. Yeah, so example, as you can see, Neha is never late for work. सो हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, हाउ मच इज़ शी लेट, हाउ फ्रीक्वेंट शी इज़ लेट. हमें आंसर मिल रहा है नेवर. ठीक है, वी मस्ट ब्रश आवर टीथ ट्वाइस. ओके, ट्वाइस अ डे. नाउ हाउ मैनी टाइम्स वी शुड ब्रश, हाउ मैनी हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, आंसर क्या मिलता है, ट्वाइस अ डे. सो दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी और नंबर. ओके, सो दीज फोर टाइप्स वी हैड डन earlier. Now we are going to discuss today's leftover types. Okay, so let's go to that. Okay students, so now continuing your adverbs today, fifth type, adverb of degree or quantity. इसमें हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे how much. Okay, these adverbs tell us about how much of the action is done, मतलब एक्शन कितना हो गया या किस तरीके से एक्शन हुआ है. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. शी इज़ वेरी प्रिटी. हाउ मच प्रिटी इज़ शी, हमें आंसर मिल रहा है वेरी. तो वेरी हो गया हमारा एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, द ओल्ड मैन एट लिटिल. एट, हाउ मच द ओल्ड मैन एट लिटिल, द बूढ़े आदमी ने कम खाया. कितना खाया, कम. It was truly memorable experience. Now it was a truly, how was the experience, how much, how was. So हमें आंसर मिलता है truly. This is adverb of degree or quantity. Now going to the sixth type, adverb of duration, मतलब for how long, कितनी देर से एक्शन हो रहा है या कब से चल रहा है. So as it says, adverb of duration describes about how long the action is going on for, कब से action वो हो रहा है. Now let's look at the first example. So this is a perfect example as it is actually raining. Okay, so yes, it has been raining for 2 days. Yes, 2 दिन से बारिश हो रही है. So if I ask the question from how long it has been raining, हमें आंसर क्या मिल रहा है, 2 days, 2 दिन से बारिश हो रही है. So this is adverb of duration. I stayed awake all night. So stayed awake, how long you stayed awake, all night. Neha stopped briefly to meet her friend. So how long Neha stopped briefly, मतलब थोड़ी देर के लिए ही रुकी थी अपनी फ्रेंड को मिलने के लिए. Okay, now discussing the last type, interrogative adverb. In this interrogative adverb, it is very simple to recognize because इसमें question marks होते हैं in the end. Okay, so now let's look at the example. So as you can see, example is, why are you standing here. अब यहाँ पे question हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं, standing, verb standing है. अब हम पूछ रहे हैं कि आप ये action क्यों कर रहे हो. action क्या है, standing. So why, so वो हो गया adverb of interrogative adverb. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन आर यू शिफ्टिंग टू द न्यू हाउस. सो वर्ब हमारा क्या है, शिफ्टिंग. हम पूछ रहे हैं व्हेन आर यू शिफ्टिंग, तो व्हेन क्वेश्चन हो गए. ओके, इंटेरोगेटिव. हाउ डीप इज़ द रिवर. ओके, अब यहाँ पे हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं, जो रिवर है कितना डीप है. So how हमें मिल गया यहाँ पे. So that's the answer. So that is interrogative adverb. Okay. So basically interrogative adverb students, इसकी दो पहचान है. एक तो क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा सेंटेंस के एंड पे, दूसरा WH वर्ड्स होंगे, वेयर, व्हेन, व्हाट, व्हाई, हाउ भी उसमें आ जाता है. ओके. So this is how you recognize interrogative adverbs. Okay. Now I'll just show you the exercise that you have to do on your BBC. Okay students, so this is your BBC. Okay, and I'll tell you which module of BBC you have to open. So basically, okay students, so now this is the old BBC students. I believe आपके पास new BBC होगी, but don't worry, ठीक है. I think sentences में थोड़ा सा फ़र्क होगा, but that's okay. It's just for practice. If you have the new BBC and the sentences are different, that is okay. What you can do is solve the exercise, and if you have any query, if you have any doubt, then what you can do is you can click the picture of your exercise that you have done, or then I can check it. And in case if you're not able to understand any sentence आपको नहीं solve हो रहा है, so you can send me an email. We are available for you always. Send the email and your doubt will be definitely clarified. Okay. Now students, you can see in this worksheet 57, okay, page number 277 hai ye. This exercise we had solved last, okay, in the last previous session. So I hope you have solved it, because the PDF was also sent to you. Now in today's session we have completed all the types of the adverbs, as you can see. Okay, so the exercise that you have to do solve is on page 279. So on page 279, as you can see, this is crossed. Exercise A is crossed, we are not going to do that. Exercise B आपने करनी है, exercise C and D. E is again crossed, ठीक है, so वो नहीं करनी है आपने. So I'm going to send you the PDF along with the answers. As you can see, answers लिखे हुए हैं. Okay. So once again, अगर कोई sentence आपका different है या exercise different है, don't worry. Please try to do it yourselves. And अगर फिर भी कोई sentence का आपको answer नहीं मिल रहा है, click a photograph and send it to the email ID. You have the email ID. मैं PDF में भी mention कर दूँगी. Okay students. So we are done for today's session. Now we'll meet in the next session, and keep revising your chapters and whatever work we are doing, because we will be having small revision tests every week, okay, once in a week, so that we are ताकि हमें समझ आ रहा है कि हम सब कुछ कवर अप कर रहे हैं और आपको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं. Okay, so there would be revision tests going on. You will be informed accordingly. आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा, या फिर आपको PDF में व्हेन वी आर सेंडिंग द वीडियो में हम समझा देंगे आपको. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो ऑल ऑफ यू कीप कंप्लीटिंग योर वर्क. यू हैव ऑल डन वेरी वेल इन योर टेस्ट्स and you're sending your homework, and we are going through that. It is good that you're sending the homework. You've done it very nicely, very neat and clean. So keep doing that. Please send your homework on time. Okay, so we'll meet in the next session students. Till then, all of you take care of yourselves. Bye bye.